What's up, guys? I know it's been a bit of a hiatus. Sorry about that. I apologize. Had some personal things kind of going on, but we're back and we're going to jump into drivers on Linux, and I'm going to discuss a quick other video I'm going to do in between because another project came up that I wasn't expecting to actually have to deal with. So today we're just playing with drivers. If I can get this to sort of focus on the screen. So my 09 build, see if I can't get, so my 09 build, we're just going to use a GUI. I'm not going to get all fancy about it in the command line. I'm going to go to this, which is additional drivers, and we're just going to get in there and see what drivers we can get. I would like to just get it from the manufacturer, but actually, I might just do that instead. So, I'll open up Firefox, but yeah, so my 09 build, it was good system when I was running it. I don't know what happened, but it is no longer, oh, I haven't set the home page yet. It is no longer like just streamlined and okay. It had a lot of check disk problems and scanning when I fired it up last, so yeah, I'm pretty sure my hard drive's failing. My CPU temperature's like crazy abnormal. So let's see, AMD, I don't remember what the model is. Well, let's see if we can just go to support or AMD chipset drivers. I'm sure I'll recognize it out of the list. So yeah, so I reapplied thermal paste. I think I might have said it in a previous video, but I reapplied thermal paste, and I also have, let's see, I don't think any of those are going to be what I'm looking for. Desktop kit, no. Processors, no. Huh. So I might be, nope. Huh. Let's see if I can't take a quick gander. Yeah, so I redid the thermal paste on the CPU, and it brought my temperature down about 20 to 30 degrees Fahrenheit, but let's just, hang on, there we go. So M3A78EM, M38, so I don't even think that's going to be, let's see, let's go to Google again, oops. I don't know, it's going to be under Asus actually. I don't know why I was going to AMD, but whatever. A3, which was it? A78. A78, oops, 8 dash EM, I want to say. So this will actually go to, yeah, this should actually, yes. Okay, so yeah, I need to get them from Asus, not AMD. I don't play with cookies if I don't have to. Driver and utility. So it did bring my my temperature down, but it didn't bring it down to where I feel like it should be. So I have ordered another cooler. It's on the way. It should be here this week. And until then, I'm just kind of, let's see if I can't get to, no, what am I looking for? It's been a couple days since I've been on here. Don't remember how to, no, I don't need that. say. Settings. I think I know what AMD I'm running, but I want to make sure. If I can't get it done in this video, we'll just pick up next video where we leave off. Where am I at? Why can I not find what I'm looking for? Oh, about. Okay, here we go. This was Athlon Dual Core 5050E, so it's the Athlon Dual Core 5050E. Which it looks like I'm pretty much out of time on this one, so we will pick this up next time, and hopefully I'll have it located and we'll just get to driver installation. So sorry we couldn't get that done. I'm running out of space on my card, so hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one and finish this up. Peace.